Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and you have a moment. This keeps the process smooth. Open Settings now, either the Gear and Quick Settings or the App drawer. Once in Settings, tap About Phone to note your Android version. This matters because menu labels differ between releases. Make sure to proceed from System or Apps depending on your version, and get ready to go into Notifications. This first step positions you to remove unwanted alerts quickly. You now go to Apps and Notifications, then choose the specific app sending noise. Tap Notifications to see channels or categories. Channels let you silence specific types without blocking the whole app. Toggle off any channels you don't want, and if you prefer, flip the Allow Notifications master switch to mute the app entirely. Once done, repeat for other noisy apps. Make sure to check persistent channels like media or calls, because those often remain enabled by default. Finish by setting global controls. Enable Do Not Disturb with schedules and exceptions so urgent calls still come through. Then, in Notifications, disable notification dots, badges, or lock screen previews to reduce visual clutter. If a stubborn app still pushes notifications, clear its cache, force stop, or uninstall recent updates. Reboot the phone and check again. If problems persist, review battery optimization or reset app preferences as a last resort. This often fixes permission conflicts and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.